Hello everyone from another location. This time we are in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Let me start by showing you my hotel room because it's amazing. So check it out. We enter here and we have the basin. Here a mirror. Yeah. I love mirrors, I don't know about you. And here we have the desk. All of this is completely free. They restock it every day. Like there's like tea, water, like noodles. Amazing for midnight munchies. The desk. Here to hang your clothes. I love it. Look at the design, guys. And one of my favorite things, it's the first time I see this in a hotel. And I've stayed in quite a few. Like, look how amazing and how inspiring. Like, you can just sit here and draw. I'm a very bad drawer, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna do this. Today, I'm gonna draw. Here we have the bed. I mean, sorry for the mess, I just woke up. I love it. It's so comfortable, and I love that it has these huge windows right next to it. My favorite. Now, this is my other favorite thing. A hammock. Look how inspiring. Like, you know, I'm gonna sit there, read a book while looking outside the window. Hey there, Vietnam. Yeah. I really love this room. I just find it like a very inspiring room. So much that I'm telling you, today's my first day here. I think I'm just gonna stay in my room, enjoying it, and just chilling for a little bit because it feels like a waste not to stay here. Oh well, and here we have the bathroom. Yes. Also, something amazing about this hotel is that, well, breakfast is included. I'm gonna go check it out now, so I'll let you know. Laundry is for free, and there's a floor where they have like snacks, beers, drinks, and it's for free any time of the day. Amazing. Here we are in the breakfast area. Look how cool. Look, cute design. And my favorite part, you can go outside and eat it there with views to the city. And here we have my breakfast choice. Just traffic everywhere, motorbikes on the sidewalk. You gotta be really careful because motorbikes drive in the sidewalk. Something that is so interesting is that all the street food stands, they have these tiny stools and tables. So this is life in Vietnam, just sitting on a tiny chair on the sidewalk, watching the street, waiting for my mango smoothie. I love it. Who else doesn't skip the gym just because they're traveling? Because me, I not only do it because I like to train, and if I'm traveling long term, you know, like I gotta keep up with my workouts, but also because it's a way of really diving into local life. What do locals do every day after work? They go to the gym. So by going to the gym and seeing local people doing their thing, like I just feel like part of the city and part of the local life here. I don't know, I just love it. It's inside a super fancy and modern mall, and that's something that I love about Ho Chi Minh City, that it has the perfect contrast between old and modern. This is the gym, Centurion by California. They have yoga lessons that you can check in for. Also like boxing ring with lessons and boxing. Look how exclusive this looks. Like, I don't know, just the whole design. It's just me, but I just love Asian stores because I feel like they're the cutest. They have like just so many cute stuff. Like, look at this. For example, what is all of this? Like, I have no age for this, but I still see this and go like, oh my god, I want it. Well, and of course you guessed it right. Plan for the night, going to a dancing party to try the salsa and bachata scene in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm gonna grab, instead of a cab, motorbike taxi, and I like it way better than a car, so I'm just excited about that. So they even provide a helmet, like you see, Grab, that's the name of the app, and I just paid like 55 cents of a euro. And after a good night of dancing before going to sleep, yes, we're here in the street food. This is what's up. Well, I'm surprised surprised. Like I just moved from Ho Chi Minh to Vung Tau. What brings me here is my friend Mushtad. He's my favorite travel buddy. We just happened to be in Vietnam at the same time, so we were like, of course we have to meet and travel together. We met in Lebanon and we've traveled together to Georgia, Iran. I visited him in Istanbul. So yeah, he's my travel bestie basically. You wanna say hi to the...
Hi guys. I'm so happy to meet again.
We just ordered stingray hot pot, so let's see. Okay guys, so because we don't speak the same language, we don't know how the fuck to do this, but they just brought this, which seems pretty raw. I don't even know what it is. Oh, okay. Okay. What is it? Ooh. Oh, the stingray. And this is noodles. Not sure if we have to cook those or
White
use them
noodles.
like that. Okay, so basically we're watching them take the noodles and just serving them on the plate. So that means that we don't need to cook them. So we're good. We can just eat that like that. How it's looking like now, but now we have the problem that we don't know when it's ready to be eaten, because look at this. I think it looks raw, but Mushat was ready to start. But I think it's not ready yet. Benedict?
Yeah.
Here we have it, the stingray. Well cooked finally, and it's actually good. First time trying it, but it just tastes like any other kind of fish.
Yeah. And delicious.
Yeah. By the way, notice that the plate that they give you to eat in is like this tiny little bowl. Not the most comfortable for, I don't know, Western people like me who are not used to it. But locals seem to be doing it just fine. I don't know how, but... Well, good morning from Vung Tau. Something I noticed here is that this city is kind of dead. It's very quiet. I'm already missing the hustle and bustle of Ho Chi Minh City. So our breakfast, what's our breakfast? Local sandwich.
Banh mi.
So basically it's a sandwich where they put like duck meat and some vegetables. So what's fascinating is how they wrap the sandwich. Look, it's just like a sheet of paper printed. Like it literally has letters printed. Like look at this. There's even a stamp and a signature. Yeah, okay. Look at this beautiful place. This is the views from a coffee shop that we just encountered now here. Okay, so we enter the local temple here, and there's so many things. Like it's kind of trippy, like all kind of statues and decoration. It's kind of too overwhelming. Like I don't know where to look at. Yeah. I've just found a Vietnamese Turk here. It does sound like that. And interestingly enough, in this temple they also have coffins. I don't know if for sale or what, but okay. Because Mushtad has already been here yesterday waiting for me. He already knows the city. This is the fish market. It's like crabs.
Yes, but this is crabs. But I don't know what. I also crabs.
A ver. Oh. Thank you. But it's like literally the shell. You eat the shell of the crab? So I'm from Galicia, Spain, where our national food is seafood. So I should be specialist in this, but we don't eat the shell. So this is so weird for my fellow Galicians. Let's try. And it has like a crush.
It's good?
But it also has the meat inside. Actually, it's good. It's like candy, but salty. Here we have a live seafood. You just choose the one you want and you take it. There are some of them that I have never seen in my life, like these colorful ones. This one. So we made it to the beachfront. This is the beach. This nice park with a lot of shades. That's why we like it. I think now I understand why there's no one on the street. We're the only cooks out here. But anyways, yesterday night there was not a lot of people either, so it's not as lively as obviously Ho Chi Minh. You just hang your hammock from anywhere, even your truck, and then that's it. Now we're going for a coconut. This reminds me of Chinese people. When I was living in China, like they just playing like board games on the street. Find little things like this in the middle of the street. It's like an offering, I guess, for the gods. We made it to the main beach here in the city. Now it is crowded. That living his best life. How this country is ahead of us. Like the bus is so cheap, like we pay €4 for a 2.5-hour trip. They come pick you up at your location and they also drop you off. Like a van comes to pick you up, then takes you to the bus, and then when you arrive at your destination, same process. All of that is included in the price. They also give you water for free, and they bring us to this like resting area, like to eat and all of this. Every table has like tea, which is for free, just for you to drink. That's it. I mean, well done, Vietnam. Okay, so we're back in Ho Chi Minh. This time with Mushtaq. I convinced him to come back to the city, to the big city. I'm so happy. He doesn't like it here, and I don't understand why. I love this city. Why you don't like it, Mushtaq?
Bullshit. Bullshit city. Just like. There's no any architect style. There's no anything to sightseeing. Just chaos, and ugly chaos. Not as that.
I don't know. I just love it, and just encountering things like this in the middle of the streets. I just love it. Oh, lights! The lights I like so much, and Mushtaq doesn't.
Oh, Starbucks! What a fantastic!
Okay, I think I found my new favorite spot in Ho Chi Minh City. Like, we're in a park where there are so many groups of teenagers practicing different choreographies. It's like the dancers park. I don't know. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, like at least 5 different groups of people rehearsing dance choreographies. I mean, I love this. I could spend here hours just watching them. So fun. And they're pretty talented. We came to the famous pedestrian street, Muy Bien. Walking street. So funny enough, it's called the walking street, but motorbikes can pass through, or at least they do. So not so pedestrian friendly, I guess. You gotta watch out for the motorbike. See? It feels more like a party street rather than a walking street. So as I was saying, the walking street, yeah? That's how it's called and what it's known for. This street is seriously overwhelming. There's too much noise, like different types of sounds coming from different places. The staff of the businesses and the bars like trying to lure you in. I don't know. Okay, verdict, not really a walking street. Too noisy, too touristy. I guess you have to come here to see it for yourself, but I wouldn't say it's a place I like. Okay, Mushtaq found his place for dinner. Here we have it. It's like kind of noodle soup. We're here having dinner. You would think that the indicator of a good restaurant is like the Michelin star, but really, it's not. This is it, like plastic table, this type of chairs. That means it's good, especially in Asia. How is it? Is it nice?
Nice. Same, but delicious.
Yeah.